Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Wingman avatar on Discord. So, like the avatar decoration, you do have to turn on your activity for this. So that's just what I'm going to do here. Okay, so you're going to go to Discover and you're going to go to Quests, which is here under Servers. Under this one, you are going to accept quests. It says play Valorant for 15 minutes to unlock a Wingman's God avatar decoration for 2 months. So it's going to end at the 14th of January, so make sure you claim it now. And you're just going to basically open up Valorant. You don't really need to play the game if you don't want to, but just play it. Oops. I don't know why it's like not really loading on my OBS. Okay, there we go. You can play it or not. It's totally up to you, but you can just open up the game and I'll be right back when it's finished. Alright, so I just played Valorant for 15 minutes, and then to claim it, you're just going to go back to Discord and then select Claim Reward, and then you're just going to confirm it again, and then you can use now or you can choose to use it later. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!